Yo, what is going on, guys? I have had an incredible week. We just got off vacation, had a great time, reflecting, lots of gratitude, like so much fun shit that we did. And there's one thing that I learned from it, right? Even during that week, I had something really bad happen, just to like my advertising stuff. Been dealing with it for a while now. Just more fucking obstacles coming my way. You know, personal ad accounts getting taken, other things getting hacked, whatever the case may be. Here's the thing though, right? This shit happens to make you stronger. We have to stop letting these little obstacles set us back. It's all about the comeback. Like, when I know that this game is meant for people who fucking pivot, who take control, like, I love now getting punched in the face and finding a way to fucking rise again. Like, it's so fucking thrilling to me how I'm able to turn things around by just simply having capital. Like, money speaks volume, and people really put a bad vibe on money, and people think that people who have money are greedy, but like, money allows you to navigate, allows you to accelerate your results faster, allows you to hire people when you can't do shit, it allows you to fucking scale, right? And I love the fact that even if I get punched in the face, I can still fucking bounce back. Like, I have the resources, the connections, the friend groups. Like, it's fucking awesome, man. Like, I love it. I love getting punched in the face and then being able to bounce back even better, or be able to bounce back consistently and solve that problem that most people can't. Let's fucking go.